Right. I want to quickly look at Bihar as well because this is a very important state as well. Here the BJP has done fairly well. In fact, bettering its past performance, it's at 31 in the alliance and RJD alliance only getting 9 seats. What could be the possible reasons for this? Let's take a quick look at the spider web which gives us the factors. Rural seats, of course, the BJP managing to make huge inroads over here. 14 versus 4 if I've got the figures exactly right. 18 versus 4, I beg your pardon. In the minority seats, of course, the BJP at 5 versus 1. That's also a very significant inroad as well. We are looking at, of course, the other metrics. But before I come across to this, let me quickly bring in some of our analysts on this. How are you looking at this particular aspect of what has worked for the BJP in the state of Bihar? Because this is an alliance that has actually helped. And thereby, Nitish Kumar becomes extremely important for in the larger scheme of things nationally for the BJP. Karan.
You know, it's very difficult to guess which way Nitish Kumar will ever go. I mean, I don't think even Nitish Kumar knows what his next move is. So that's how close he holds his cards to the chest.
Deputy Prime Minister? Could he bargain? Madhav, just throwing it in the universe.
Yeah.
No, throwing it.
This guy, Yasin were advising him.
Why not? Why not?
This should reach.
This guy,
this should reach his ears.
Yeah. I mean, just throwing it in the universe. Just think about this guy. He says, "Okay, you make me Deputy Prime Minister, but now I'm going with Tejasvi."
Okay.
No,
he can do this.
I do not see that as a possibility, Madhav.
All right.
I do not see this.
Listen, all right. You'd like to listen to this. There's some breaking news coming in. Sujata Pandey Tehsil, just 1 second. There's some interesting news coming in. There's a cryptic post by the JDU. We were just talking about Nitish Kumar, and this cryptic post coming in after the 2024 mandate. न्याय के साथ विकास का संकल्प. So that's a cryptic message there coming in from Nitish Kumar. What does this mean? Look at your screens there. न्याय के साथ विकास का संकल्प. Sujata Pandey, which way is Nitish headed?
Whoever coined this term, Nitish sabke hai, really knew Nitish Kumar.
The national implications of that term, perhaps.
You know, Lalu Prasad once, actually, Madhav, in Bihar, Nitish के आंत में दांत है. That means you really don't know what is happening with Nitish Kumar himself doesn't know. So
Nitish ji को खुद पता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं.
But it will be a dent. It will be a dent in his ever deteriorating image for sure, because it will be against the mandate of people, because they fought
फोटो वैसे भी हर 2 साल में पलटू राम लालू जी तो पलटू राम बोलते ही है.
हुआ तो हुआ.
आकाशदीप
Nitish ji will always.
Let him come in. Akashdeep.
You know, I'll not say only Nitish ji, but also Chandrababu Naidu, because scene kabhi bhi badal sakta hai, anywhere where people can go. And Madhav, I'll tell you, the allies of NDA were happy with NDA. It was BJP who got the lion's share.
Internal survey.
There's a lion's share because that is what they were always. No, why then Nitish Kumar shifted and then came back? Then shifted.
Why do you think he shifted? That is the question.
There were many people who were.
Looks like he's tapping phones and then knowing that what's Nitish Kumar talking with the Prime Minister.
Because they were afraid of Enforcement Directorate and CBI.
All right. You want to respond to that, Karan?
Yeah. You know, all said and done, whether it's Nitish Kumar, whether it's TDP, they will all gravitate down to the central pillar, which looks like the winner. And Mr. Modi is still in the hot seat in that sense. BJP with 238 seats.
Modi,
you know, in the end, it's going to be Mr. Modi, and they are all going to coalesce around him. That's what's going to happen.
Karan is right.
One by one.
Karan is right on this part. To this limited part, the president is going to invite him.
Okay, there's a reaction of the JDU coming in. Let's quickly cut across live to that. Speaking about this very aspect about Nitish Kumar in particular. Listen in.
श्री नीतीश कुमार जी कल प्रधानमंत्री से मिलकर के पटना लौटे हैं. हम अपने पुराने स्टैंड पर कायम हैं. हम जनता दल यूनाइटेड नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में पुनः एक बार एनडीए में अपनी आस्था का इजहार करता है और हम एनडीए में ही बने रहेंगे.